Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your phone number on Claude when it's not working using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken sign-up forms so you can finish building your personal account profile safely. Step 1. Check your country code flag and match your location. The first step is to look very closely at the small drop-down box sitting right next to your telephone text line to make sure your country match is 100% correct. Move your mouse pointer to the little flag picture icon inside the phone number entry area, click it once to open the long scrolling list, find the exact name of the country where your phone line is registered, and click on it. Watch for the numbers inside the tiny box to update automatically, showing the correct starting edition numbers for your area flat against your background view. Because the internet system has to route its mobile messages through separate country tunnels, if the little flag is set to the wrong place, the network engine will try to send your secret code to a completely different part of the world. Making sure this matches opens up a clean line right to your local phone tower. Step 2. Remove the first 0 from your phone number entry. Next, you need to go into your main typing box and delete the leading 0 symbol from the very front of your phone number layout on your screen canvas rows. Click your typing line right before your first number letter, use your keyboard backspace key to delete the number 0 if it is sitting at the very start, and leave only the core numbers of your main phone string. Verify that your number begins directly with your area code numbers inside your screen canvas rows, with no extra empty zeros padding the front line. Because the international phone system automatically replaces your local starting 0 with the country code numbers you picked in the previous step. If you leave your local 0 inside the box, the computer memory card reads it as an extra incorrect digit. Dropping that first 0 sweeps away the confusion instantly so the system can map your line correctly. Step 3. Open a completely fresh internet browsing window in secret mode. Move your cursor up to the top right corner of your internet browser screen workspace. Click the 3 little dots button, slide down the menu list, and select the row that says New Incognito Window or New Private Window. Watch for a dark, fresh window style to pop open flat against your background view, showing a clean slate with 0 history memory. Because your regular browser window piles up old static data cookies in its temporary memory card. If you hit a form error earlier, the website will keep loading that exact same frozen error routine every single time you click. A secret private window has a completely empty memory pool, forcing the website to generate a brand new, clean communication line from scratch. And that's it. To verify your phone number on Claude, you must first click the flag drop-down box and select your exact country location on your screen. Then you move your mouse to your number line to delete any leading 0 from the very front of your text string on your screen canvas rows to clear layout errors. Next, you go to your browser menu to open a fresh incognito or private window to load the page with an empty memory cache completely. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.